Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. Self-propelled petrol lawnmower Geotech Pro S53-225 BMSGW ES, an innovation designed to meet the needs of the most demanding consumers. Equipped with battery electric start, this model stands out for its power, reliability, and versatility. The 4-in-1 cutting system includes collection with a 65-liter basket, standard mulching, side and rear discharge. The cutting deck, 53 centimeters wide and made of steel, is supported by 280 millimeters high rear wheels for high performance on various types of terrain. The machine offers a centralized cutting height adjustment system with 8 positions ranging from 25 to 75 millimeters. The self-propelled traction optimizes work efficiency, making mowing more effective on every type of lawn. Equipped with a state-of-the-art 224 cubic centimeters engine, the Geotech Pro S53-225 BMSGW ES stands out for its excellent quality, extraordinary power, and reduced environmental impact. The electric start, facilitated by a lithium battery, eliminates the need for manual starting. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.